Driven by data center expansion, U.S. energy demand continues its sharp upward trajectory. This surge is placing unprecedented pressure on asset-intensive power plants across the nation. Grid reliability is no longer an option, but a need. For the operators, the implication is clear: to move from reactive, time-based maintenance practices to real-time, predictive maintenance processes. This is precisely where Shoreline AI's predictive maintenance platform becomes strategically relevant. Shoreline AI delivers a fundamentally different approach. Proven with leading oil and gas operators and power generation companies across North America, Shoreline offers an end-to-end predictive maintenance solution for critical and balance of plant assets such as compressors, pumps, turbines, generators, motors, and blowers, leveraging its pre-built library of 30,000-plus physics models. Shoreline's AI-powered analytics predict machine health failures such as seal failures, cavitation, mechanical imbalances, bearing degradation, mechanical looseness and misalignment due to vibration, temperature, and process anomalies. Shoreline's award-winning platform is especially preferred by the reliability and IT teams for multi-sensor intelligence, acoustic, vibration, thermal, humidity monitoring in a single proprietary direct-to-cloud sensor, end-to-end, plug-and-play deployment with zero third-party dependencies, self-installed by non-experts in hours, not months. Fully integratable with IT infrastructure such as CMMS, SCADA, and other applications. Predict failures before they can impact operations. Call Shoreline today and schedule a meeting and understand how we can transform your plant operations.